Hi guys, in this video I will show you the demo of personal assistant. The user will either send a text or voice message to your Telegram bot. This is a custom Telegram bot. The bot will then route the message to the master agent. The master agent then will decide to where to send the message exactly, either to the contact agent, the email agent, or the calendar agent. The bot has multiple tools attached with it. So for example, it has access to my contact database, then my Gmail, then my calendar, and in calendar it can get events, update the existing events, even delete the events, and create the event with an attendee as well. So for example, let's publish it first. Hi Chris, can you send me Harjot's email? So I've asked the agent to send me one of my friend's email. So let's check first of all. I will show you the contact database. This is the client contact database and it has total 6 people, their email addresses and their phone numbers. Well, it has retrieved me the correct email address of Harjot, and that is this. Alright. Chris, send him an email asking if he is coming to the gym tonight or at evening at 6 p.m. So let's see if the agent can draft me an email on just my voice command. So since I have sent him a voice message, the message will be routed through this branch. Then it will be transcribed using the open router transcribers. Well, I have received one notification. I have drafted the email asking Harjot if he is coming to the gym tonight or at 6 p.m. Alright, let's check the mail. Drafts. And this is a draft. The the subject of the draft was decided by the agent. Uh Gym plans for tonight. Hi Harjot, are you planning to come to the gym tonight or would you prefer to meet at 6 p.m. this evening? Let me know. That's great. Now I will check if the bot can schedule a meet on my or maybe schedule an event on my calendar. So I will type this time. Sorry. So this is Vaishnav's email, and let's check if the bot can find the email correctly and also go in my calendar and schedule the event. Let's open calendar over here. Project discussion at 7 p.m. All right. I have scheduled the project discussion event with Vaishnav Vihar today at 7 p.m. That's great. And it is for 15 minutes since I had mentioned it explicitly that it should be only for 40 minutes. Let's check if the bot has invited the person. Yes, it has retrieved the correct email address of the person and also has invited the person. Chris, can you list me all the events that I have for today in my calendar? Now the bot will go into my calendar, check all the events that I have for today. You can see here, it's just one event that we have created just now, project discussion. Your calendar, your calendar for today includes the project discussion with Vaishnav Jar. All right, that's great. So it has correctly also mentioned what event was there, what event was it, and who was invited in the events. That's great. Now finally, let's ask the bot, can you just delete that event? Chris, can you just delete that event today at 7 p.m.? Let's see in the real time if the event is getting deleted. Alright, the event got deleted. That's great. Also, we receive a notification. The browser discussion event at 7 p.m. today has been successfully deleted. Alright, that's great. So this was just for the demo purpose, and if you want to build this from scratch, I can create another video where I will build it from scratch so that you can follow with this. And over here, when the trigger receives a voice or text message, the switch node actually decides which branch it should go. So for example, in the routing rule, I have included if message.text exists, then follow this branch. Else, in the routing rule 2, if the MIME type of the message is voice, then you can follow this branch, the below. And after this, the message gets transcribed by the open router transcriber, where I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flash for transcribing the message. And once the message is transcribed, it is then passed to the master agent. Now this agent decides where exactly to send the message. I mean, which agent should the message receive based on the intent of the message. So if I want to just get a contact from my contact database, or I want to draft an email for someone or get my emails, then it will route to the email agent. Or else if there is something related to calendar events, then it will route to the calendar agent. So this master agent plays an important role of routing the decisions. For example, I wanted to create a new contact in my contact database. I can just type it here. I will put my name. Let's see if the contact gets added to the database. Alright, that got added. That's great. We will also receive a notification. The contact Anish was with the email this has been successfully added to the database. That's great. And yes, that was it. I can also update the event since I have also added the tool add or update event to the contact database. I can also reply to an email from my inbox. So suppose I don't want to type it by myself, I can just ask Chris to reply for that event. He has access to all my emails in the inbox. So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to build this automation, then you can comment down below. I will definitely make another video explaining and building it from scratch with you guys. Thank you.